Today's video, we're diving into the SETON operation in IBM RPGLE. SETON is a crucial command in RPG programming that allows us to activate or turn on indicators based on specific conditions. Let's explore a practical example where we utilize SETON to control indicators in RPGLE program. We begin with an array ARR2 that stores 5 numeric values, that is, 201, 205, 203, 202, 204. N is initialized to 1 and iterates through the array using a loop. Inside the loop, this line checks if the remainder by dividing the value stored in ARR2 at index n by 2 equals 0, determining if the number is even. If the number is even, the line 30 indicator is set on using SETON 30. If the number is odd, the line 30 indicator is set off using SETON 30. After setting the indicator, the program constructs a message in xDSPLY to display the array index and its corresponding value using dSPLY. As a result, the program displays messages for indices where the values are even. dSPLY ARR2 at index 4 is equal to 202. dSPLY ARR2 at index 5 is equal to 204. In summary, SETON in IBM I allows us to activate indicators dynamically based on conditions within RPG programs, providing control and flexibility in application development. Thanks for watching our tutorial on IBM SETON Opcode by Programmers.io. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on IBM and RPG programming. See you next time.